We're at the National Hardware Show looking at some of the cool things here at the show, and I'm to the Blackstone booth. And gang, we're looking at a Griddle grill combo here from Blackstone. This is a really cool little portable device, and I've got Nate here to tell us more about this. Nate, what's going on?
Tailgater. This is our Tailgater. It's really versatile. On this side we've got our small griddle, not like the 36 inches. You're not going to be cooking for 100 on this, but if it's just a family gathering, 10, 20 people, you can do more than enough food on here. And then we have our removable modular grill box on the side. So you can really do a lot of different things. It's very versatile and very mobile. This stand actually folds up right in your trunk, easy to go whether you're camping, heading to the beach, or out in the woods somewhere, or just tailgating at the game.
And I can independently control, so say if I didn't need the grill, I could just use the griddle?
Absolutely. This whole thing is modular. So you can see underneath, we've got the same H-shaped burner that we do in the other units. And then down here, if you look in the front, we've got two individual heat zones, so we can control two different temperatures at the same time.
So I can grill, I've got the best of both worlds.
Oh yeah, absolutely. You can be doing burgers over here and French toast and eggs over here. Breakfast and lunch at the same time.
It's that brunch thing we always love. For more information, where can I go to check out this option?
Please go to our website at blackstoneproducts.com. You can see all of our fun toys. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
That sounds great. We'll put those links in the description below so you can check it out. But this is one of the cool things at the National Hardware Show.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.